luck. All right, someone asked me to do a video on Mark Sager's bag, and I'm going to do that. So I'm Bob Pruitt, Pruitt Carpet Care. Generally, I work in high-end homes. These are people that expect the best, and they expect me basically to produce. And they call me up for a spot. I need to get the spot out. So that means I carry a lot of things. And the nice thing the thing I like about Mark's bag is how organized it is. And let me show it to you. I'm probably going to order a second one because I really like it that well. So let's take a look. All right, here's my old bag. You know, there's just some things need cleaned, and I have brushes in here, and I have a few things. And some of that stuff will be transferred over to Mark's bag, which is right here. Nice bag to get kind of a size comparison. There's my butler face, and walking in here has this type of handle and shoulder handle. Kind of a cool tool, I guess. It's a Tom Conway tool. I got his one, but I never got the cool little tool, so that's neat. Let's see. We'll open it up, and we'll see what we got in there. The zipper over here, one-handed, and full of stuff. Stuff it's full of, Mark already showed, but I'll just do a quick peerless, multi-purpose stain remover. Guess you try, you know, when you get a stain, you can start with that one, and then if that doesn't work, then you go in with something like this, stain blaster, the food dye remover, some kind of oxy anyway, oxidizer of some kind, ink off. I've used this and it works good. Gel solve, and I'm guessing that's kind of a desolvent that's been gelled. Desolve it. This stuff goes a long way. It's so strong that I know Mark waters it down a little bit. So a little goes a long way. Say that. Java Jinx, which honestly I haven't used, but it's some kind of a product for coffee and stain, so I'll give that a try. Rust Out works good, I've used that. Just like magic, I use this a lot. This is one of my favorite peroxide stain remover type products. You just kind of spray on and leave. I don't leave it, I spray it on and then eventually I rinse it. But paint oil, grease remover, you know, water free, your solvent spotter, someone asked. You got things like a spotting kit for, I don't know who I should give credit for, that basic tell you what they use on the spot, how to take the spots out. I don't know, it's, you know, what's the fun of learning how to do stuff when you can experiment? So anyway, this is kind of a brush, not bad, actually decent quality. I have about 100 other things I'm going to be putting in that bag as to complement all that. That's something I think is kind of neat about this bag is this front cover here. So professional kit. Nice size, not too big, not too small. You know, something I would grab and bring the whole thing in instead of just grabbing maybe one thing out of the truck, which is what I normally do, one or two things. I might just grab the bags that are on the porch and you know, have it all right there if I need it. I would say this is an excellent product. I might end up with two of them, honestly, because you know, you can see how I do a lot of spotting, and I do a lot of high-end furniture and rugs and things like that. So I carry, I know, a lot more than most people, and I'm glad to have this to organize myself a little better, and you know, that might happen. So I appreciate it. So it's going to take a beating, and looks tough enough to do that. And that's my my new Sager bag. All right. I like it. I'm happy with it, and I think the quality's good. And there's my buddy Mark Sager, and I like, you know, I like Mark, so good stuff. Everything he's told me about, including this Butler, has been great. So he's not going to let you down.